And now to our top story this morning. Overdose deaths in La Crosse County appear to be continuing to trend lower. Now, recall back in November, we reported that overdose deaths had dropped dramatically from their peak a few years ago, and now new data show that they are holding steady. Now, Crystal, you spoke with emergency physicians both then and now, so what are they seeing?
Well, Dustin, I'm told 2025 marks the second straight year overdose deaths in La Crosse County have stayed well below their peak, but the crisis isn't going away. According to Amplify Health by Gunderson's emergency medicine physician, Dr. Chris Eberlein, La Crosse County reached its highest number of overdose deaths in 2023, with totals in the mid-50s. That number dropped to 17 in 2024. And last year, there were also 17 confirmed overdose deaths, with 4 more cases still pending. Now, Dr. Eberlein says it's encouraging, but they're still responding to about 3 overdoses a month that require Narcan.
There was never going to be one magic silver bullet for this problem. But I think what you've seen is overall a lot of movement from a lot of different areas. So we had increase of Narcan, better training for overdoses, both for lay people and EMS responders. And then the prevention, we have really worked on education.
And despite that progress, Dr. Eberlein says the drug supply continues to evolve, bringing new dangers for people who may not realize what they're taking.
Fentanyl has become the predominant, but then there are these others that get mixed in. And so we saw tranq for a while. That was a major concern. And we've seen a shift to some more stimulants. In fact, every now and then we'll see overdoses from people that thought they were taking a stimulant, but it was fentanyl instead.
And as we look ahead at 2026, Eberlein is stressing the importance of continued education in the community, as well as increasing behavioral health and treatment resources, Dustin.
And as we talk about that education, what are some of those drugs that he mentioned he's looking at in terms of concerns moving forward?
Well, he did mention tranq earlier, and that's a part of that evolving supply. Tranq is xylazine, often mixed with fentanyl, and it can't be treated with Narcan. And there are a few drugs similar to that nationally that he's keeping an eye on, but yet none here in La Crosse County.
Yeah, so we'll continue to watch and be hopeful for the education and preventative measures moving forward as well. All right, thanks, Chris.